Welcome. If you're looking to unfollow a page from a post on Facebook Web on PC, here's a simple, updated way to do it that fits right into your daily browsing. First, open Facebook on your computer and sign in with your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a feed filled with posts from friends, groups, and pages you follow. To unfollow a page from a post, start by locating a post from the page you want to mute. It can be any post that comes up in your feed from that page. Next, focus on the top of that post where you'll spot a few icons and the page name. Look for 3 horizontal dots, the More Options icon usually located near the upper right corner of the post. Click those 3 dots to open a small menu of actions you can take related to that specific post and page. From the menu that appears, you'll see several choices. Look for the option that says Unfollow Page Name. The screenshot might show the exact page name next to the word Unfollow. Click this Unfollow option. A short confirmation may pop up to ensure you want to unfollow this page's post. Confirm your choice if prompted. What happens next is simple. This action stops that page's post from appearing in your feed, but you'll still be connected to the page. You can always come back later if you want to follow again. If you ever want to re-engage, you can revisit the page and click follow to start seeing their updates again. A quick tip. If you find you've unfollowed too many pages by accident, you can always check your follow settings. On Facebook, go to your profile, then settings and privacy, followed by settings, and find the feeds or following options to adjust who you see. But for the moment, unfollow from the post itself is a fast, one-step way to clean up your feed from a specific page. That's all there is to it. You've learned a straightforward method to unfollow a page directly from a post on Facebook Web on PC using the updated interface.